Hello, how do you solve this problem? T times t times t equals 1 over 8. We are solving for the values of t that satisfies this equation. So let's start with the left-hand side. We have t times t, that's t power 2, times t again. This is t to the power of 3. And this equals 1 divided by 8. Now there is power of 3 here. And this side, we need to ensure that we also have power of 3. So in that case, if you consider 1 is the same thing as writing 1 to the power of 3. Because 1 to the power of 3 is simply 1 times 1 times 1. And this is 1. And also, if you consider 8 is the same thing as writing 2 to the power of 3. Because 2 times 2 times 2 is the same as 8. So let's replace them here. We have t power 3 equals 1, that is 1 power 3, divided by 8, that is 2 to the power of 3. So from here, if you have a power c divided by b power c, when the exponents are the same, you simply have it as a divided by b or power c. So we apply same here. We have t power 3 equals 1 divided by 2 all to the power of 3. So right now, we move this over here. We simply have, this is t power 3 minus 1 over 2 to the power of 3, and this equals 0. So right now we have power 3 here, power 3 here. So let's expand it using this identity. If you have a power 3 minus b power 3, this equals a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b power 2. So in this case, our a equals t and b equals 1 over 2. So from here, if you substitute a and b here, you are going to have t minus 1 over 2 times this is t power 2 plus ab t times 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 to the power of 2. This equals 0. From here, we have t minus 1 over 2 times t squared plus this is t over 2 plus 1 power 2, that is 1 divided by 2 power 2, that is 4, and this equals 0. So from here, we are going to equate each of these to 0. We have t minus 1 over 2 equals 0. We also have this, which is t power 2 plus t over 2 plus 1 over 4 equals 0. Let's solve these individual equations. So from here, we are going to start with this. We simply move this over here. We have t equals 1 over 2. This is our t1. Now to solve this other one here, we need to ensure that the denominators are the same. So t over 1, we find the common LCM. The LCM here is 4. 4 divided by 1, 4 times t squared. That's 4t squared plus 4 divided by 2, 2 times t. That's 2t plus 4 divided by 4, 1 times 1, we have 1. This equals 0. This over 1. At this point, we can cross multiply. 4 will multiply 0, and 1 will multiply this. Then have 4t squared plus 2t plus 1 equals 0. So we have this. Now the next step we are going to take will be to solve this quadratic equation using the formula method. We write the formula in respect to t. We have t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. 4 is the coefficient of t squared. That is my a. That is my b. That is my c. So we substitute them here. T equals negative b, negative 2 plus or minus square root of b squared raised to power 2 minus 4 times 4 times 1 divided by 2a, that is 2 times 4. So from here, we have t equals, this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, that is 4, minus 16 divided by, this is 8. From here, we have t equals, this is negative 2 plus or minus square root of, this is negative 12 divided by 8. From here, you have t equals negative 2 plus or minus, this is minus here, square root of negative 1 times square root of 12 divided by 8. So from here, we have t equals negative 2 plus or minus, this is I, that is iota times square root of 12. 12 is the same thing as 4 times 3 divided by 8. From here, you have t equals negative 2 plus or minus I times, you can take square root of 4, that is 2 root 3 divided by 8. So from here, this cancels itself once, cancel this once, cancel 8, you have 4. You have t equals negative 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 4. So at this point, we can factor out 1 over 4. T equals 1 over 4 times this is negative 1 plus or minus I root 3. So from here, I can have my T2 equals 1 over 4 times negative 1 plus I root 3. I also have T3 equals 1 over 4 times negative 1 minus I root 3. So these are the two complex solutions. And we also have a real solution here, which is T1. So the next thing we are going to do will be to check. So we have T1 equals, this is, we have 1 over 2. We are going to check using this right here. We have T times T times T equals 1 over 8. So we are going to substitute this value for T here. We have 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. And this equals 1 over 8. So from here, you multiply the numerator, 1 times 1 times 1. That is 1 divided by 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. This equals 1 over 8. So the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. So that satisfies the equation. Now look at it here. For you to solve this, the first step is just to multiply this. You have t power 3. And the next important step is to ensure that you express this in terms of its exponent of 3. Make sure all of them have equal exponents so that it will correspond with this. So from here, you solve this cubic equation. So you solve the cubic equation and you are going to have 3 different solutions, 1 real solution and 2 complex solutions. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.